dance move.
That's what you dancing to? Go ahead, turn that up. Let everybody listen to it. It's the new stupid ratchet song of the year.
I feel like a white girl.
Hey, you are like a white girl because you ain't got no rhythm right now. Hey. I don't even know where to start. Start with your footwork or start with the question. You playing Grand Theft Auto. You mad because they wouldn't let him back in the store because he just robbed the store. What you mad then? What you mad for? What you robbing he put in for? Good Lord, these are commercials.
Ladies, it's a jam. And I'ma throw this money, but do it with no hands.
No, you remember times you listen to Jesus Loves Me, This I Know. You need to switch your whole what you listen to up. You out here no hands, and then you no hands. What the hell do you know about no hands? All you use is you probably use both of your hands on the regular. You would probably dribble better with your hands and your whatnot than you can with a basketball. Good Lord Jesus. Listening to this ratchet music got you no hands in it. I ain't gonna put it back on him. He ain't gonna no hands it on camera again. Hey man, no. Man, what in the hell is wrong with you? You better not twerk. You better not twerk. I dare you. Go ahead. Get your twerk on if you want to. Twerk on. I dare you. Get your twerk on if you. The hell is wrong with you? He did too. He don't want to see you twerk either. He done fell off the whole couch. He was playing the game in hip hop. You got $5,417,622 and you robbing a stove. Why? Get out of my hood now. All up in here acting a fool up in here. What in the hell, boy? I'm about to come up behind you. I'm playing with you. Cuddy Cuddy. All right, y'all stay black now. Great parenting.